So last week was about 40 something percent, and we are still up about 20% for the week, which is really amazing. I wasn't really expecting this, but that's how trading is. What's up, guys? So guys, it's a new week. Today is Tuesday. So yesterday was Monday. I wasn't able to take any trade. The account is still at the previous balance it is now. So today we are looking for a setup on gold. Let's just basically get right into it for the day, guys. So my view on gold today, the market is very bullish. The market has been very bullish. So I'm also following the trend. So let's start from the 4-hour time frame. I want you guys to pay attention. This is just a raw chart. So I want to show you guys how I basically analyze the chart. So from head to bottom. So let's get right into it. So this is my 4-hour chart. This is the recent break of structure. Let me show you guys the recent break of structure. This is the recent break of structure. 4-hour closed above this previous high, this previous high. So this 4-hour candle closed above this previous high. So we'll be looking for our around this level. We have our breakout has been confirmed. So let's go to our 1-hour. Why I use the 4-hour chart is that I just look for my break of structure on the 4-hour chart. Then I go to the 1-hour chart to look for my order block. Now, where is my order block? My order block is somewhere around here. So this is our order block. This order block is look like it has been tested on the 1-hour chart. So let's scale down to the 15-minute chart. These are the 3 time frames I use. I don't really used to use the daily time frame more often, but I use it sometimes, but not that often. Look at what the 15 minutes is telling us. So this is another order block that has not been mitigated on our 15-minute time frame. So let's mark that as our point of interest, which is here. Let's mark it from here, so we will not miss any. Sometimes market might just fill in the imbalance on the 15 minutes and just reverse to our direction. So let's not miss out on the trade. So this is our point of interest right now. So this area and this area, this is our point of interest on the 4-hour time frame. And funny enough, the market has already built in liquidity. So market has built in liquidity here on our 15-minute time frame right now. So let me mark the liquidity being built up here. So this is the liquidity here. Market has built in liquidity on our 15-minute time frame. So we are just expecting the market to come down below, which is here. The market to come down below, tap into this zone, maybe go extreme here and pass out to the upside here. So I'll be setting a limit order here. I'll be setting a long limit order here because I don't want a scenario where the market to tap into this and just skyrocket to the upside. So this is my point of interest. Putting my stop loss below here is very reasonable. 60 pips to make 150 pips, which is amazing. So this is basically my view. Are you seeing it? I just analyzed this chart in a matter of minutes. It is not even up to 5 minutes I finished analyzing this chart. So this is what technical analysis should be. It shouldn't be a state whereby you start analyzing the chart, looking at the chart for like 5-6 hours. Go to the chart you are looking for and you are done analyzing. Let the market do the rest. Nobody is perfect. You don't know what is going to happen. Your job is to just go to the chart. The advantage you have is the knowledge you have. Use that advantage to analyze it and let the market do the rest. So guys, my mentorship is open. If you want to learn how I trade, are you just seeing how I just analyze this chart right now? So if you want to learn how I trade, my mentorship is open. Send me a message on WhatsApp and we'll get you started. And note, it is not free. If you want to sign up for the mentorship, it is not free. So if you want to learn how I trade, this is not a must for anybody. If you want to learn how I trade, you like how I trade, send me a message and we'll talk from there. So I'll see you guys when I enter the trade. Let's see what the market is going to do when it gets to this zone. So stay tuned, guys. Today's Thursday. So I am currently on this trade right now, guys. I'm currently on this trade right now. So the trade I took on Tuesday, this was the analysis I was doing on Tuesday, which stopped me out. Are you seeing how crazy gold did? Gold just went straight ahead to my stop loss. So what I feel now is the market is changing direction, because anytime the market is ranging like this, keeps ranging, taking out the buy side liquidity, it is trying to sell. Market is currently in a pullback range now. So but I spotted this trade. I'm currently in this trade. So this is liquidity here, and this is an unmitigated zone here. This 15-minute unmitigated zone, and price mitigated zone this morning. So I am currently aiming down to almost 200 pips, which is 938 pips. So I'm currently floating in profit right now. So let's see what is gonna happen after this trade has finished rolling, guys. So guys, today's Saturday, the last day of the week. So this week was kind of great. One win and one loss. So I took a loss on Tuesday, and I took a winning trade on, I think, on Wednesday or Thursday. So I wasn't able to trade on Friday, so my confirmation wasn't appearing, so I had to leave it. So this week was amazing. So last week was about 40 something percent, and we are still up 20% for the week, which is really amazing. So I wasn't really expecting this, but that's how trading is. You might expect, your expectation is always different from your reality. Sometimes expectation is always being met or not met in some scenarios. This is an amazing week. So we come again next week with the same energy, even with more energy. So guys, nothing really much. Currently now, this is the balance of the account. We're $560 something, as you can see on the screen right here. So I think that'll be that for the week. And as I said before, guys, if you want to learn how to trade, love how I trade, and you want to learn from me, send me a message on WhatsApp, and we'll get you started. And note, it is not free. So if you enjoy this video, you love this video, don't forget to support the channel, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, guys, and I'll see you guys. Much love.